city. Discipline somebody, 'cause she knows that it's demanding to defeat those evil machines. I know she can beat them. Yoshimi, they don't believe me, but you won't let those robots eat me. Yoshimi, they don't believe me, but you won't let those robots defeat me. Those evil-natured robots, programmed to destroy us. She's gotta be strong to fight them, so she's taking lots of vitamins, 'cause she knows that it'd be tragic. Those evil robots win. I know she can beat them. Okay, there's a little bit of Yoshimi by the Flaming Lips, and it's a good beginner song, and it's got all open chords, no bar chords. I was playing F with a bar chord, but you don't have to do that. The song is in the key of C. It starts on a C. There's a little intro. Alright, so that is C, E minor. This is also going to be D minor. This is also the chorus. F, G. Okay. And the strum, I know a lot of beginners like to learn what has been called the strum pattern. So it's down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. Like copy my strum pattern, I guess it would be down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. And then go to the next chord. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then D minor. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. F, down, 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 F, G. F and G share a measure, and we just give them each 2 downstrokes. All right, and then it goes into the verse, which is very close to the intro and the chorus. The verse is her name is C. Yoshimi, E minor, F, she's a black belt in karate, and that to G, and that repeats. So C, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, F, and then it goes into with the pre-chorus. Right, the pre-chorus is F. And you can just do 2 downstrings, because she knows that F, it's demanding. G, C, and then Back to F. I'm just doing the simple F here. Even she's, I know that. Stays on F for 2 measures, and then it finishes on G. She can beat them. And then we go into the chorus, which is the intro. Oh, Yoshimi. C, E minor. D minor. F. G. And that repeats. D minor, F, F, G, G. Just leave it there. It's a great beginner song. Thanks for watching. Have fun. Bye.